It's a beautiful day in Laguna Key, and here comes a race car. I wonder who could be inside. It's Aaron and Daddy. Oh my gosh! Hello! There they go. So fast. I wonder if they'll ever come back again. There they go. Action!
Right.
Here they are in their car.
We're in our car. Aaron, give a thumbs up.
What do you think, Aaron? You having fun?
Oh yeah. She's a little terrified, but she kind of likes that in race cars.
Does Daddy go really fast, Aaron?
No. Daddy's going nice.
Have you run over any babies?
Any babies? No?
Daddy's not wearing his shoe? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So where are you going now, Aaron?
Mom's out to hang out.
Oh.
I got a couple options here. We want to take a race around with this with her. Take a couple laps around here. And then I'll take it from there. And then if you want to get in the car and join us down there or something.
Okay. Goodbye. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bag out. Hey, how you guys doing? Okay, go ahead and take off.
Hello. We're good. Ready to go. You ready? Yeehaw.
Okay.
Barely reach the pedal.
Go ahead, push it. Keep going, push down. What do you think, Aaron? Pretty happy? What do you think, Liz? You like it?
Mark,